guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is very much inspired by our festival Makarsakranti and Pongal. So let me give you a close-up look. So this is how it looks. If you want to know how I created this look, watch the video till the end. Just applying a little bit. This is a Wet n Wild foundation. It gives a medium coverage. Okay, now foundation is done. I'm going to go ahead and apply powder. This is NC35 Max Studio Fix powder. It gives you a nice full coverage. On days like when you don't feel like wearing foundation, you can just apply this all over your face after your skincare, and it will give you a nice full coverage and it will stay there for the entire day. Contouring my face to give them more structure and highlighting my best feature, of course. Nose. Oh my god, today the weather is too cold. Usually like this entire week the weather was very pleasant. It was sunny whole day, so only the morning and night was a little freezing, otherwise the whole day was pretty good. Today it's a little cold than usual. So I hope you guys have watched my brow tutorial for 2024. If you haven't, then please watch that. You will get lots of ideas like as of what kind of brows will be in this year. Gone are the days when you do very boxy kind of brows, like too broad and too evident. This year it's very natural. For today's look, which is Makarsakranti, I'm trying to create very soft glam look. This year my makeup tutorial will be mostly about soft glam look that anyone can do, and it's very easy. So brows are done. See, it's very natural, right? I'm going to just fill in some sparse area and it's done. I'm going to just fill in those gaps a little bit. The motive is to keep it as natural as possible. So can you see how natural this is? And just blending with the natural brows. That's about it. I don't want to touch more. If I touch more, it will go on, and at the end it will look too much thicker and like dark. Also, in my earlier video, I have mentioned that I'll tell this again. Please do not bring your brows, fill it and bring your brows lower. It will make your face very droopy. Try to lift it. Like for me, I'm going up and going in this way, not bringing it down. So just can you imagine me like with this kind of brows? Yeah, it will make my eyes look like this. So whatever that you do, whatever makeup that you do, it should always lift your face, not bring it down. So your brows are done. I'm going to apply some blush. I'm going to use pink, soft pink. There, I think this much is fine. Now for the eyes. Now this step is important if you want to apply your eyeshadow. Without doing this, if you will apply your eyeshadow, it will not stay there for a long time. And another thing is, the color payoff will not be good. So always apply the eye primer or any bright concealer. Take some powder You can take some loose powder or compact powder, any kind of powders, and just go ahead and dab on top of that so that it doesn't crease. So for eyes, I'm going to use this palette. It's a lovely shades. I'm going to do with this one first and create a base. Just fill on the sockets of your eyes, which is here. Can you see this? This is the socket, so just fill it here. Okay, done. Next thing is the shade in the center. Just taking tiny bit of it, tiny. Yeah, just tiny bit. Shake off the excess and just repeat the steps again. What I'm thinking is I just want, this is Makarsakranti. Wanted to apply the makeup, but just keeping it very soft. So done. I'm going to better keep it close, otherwise I'll keep on adding. So a little bit darker shade now, little bit, not too much. Yeah, and then blending it. So yes, love it. Now the shimmer, I'm going to just apply on the inner corner first and come upwards. Yeah, see? So this is done. For the liner, I'm going to skip those gel liners or liquid liners because it's a soft glam look. I'm going to apply liner with the eyeshadow. Just taking a little bit of this. Yeah. For kajal, I'm going to use engraved. Now going to diffuse this kajal pencil with some lighter shade of eyeshadow. I'm using the same one over here which I used earlier as a base. Now I'm going to contour my lips with brown shade and then apply another shade of pencil. And I'm not going to go all over. I mean, like, this is my natural here, but I don't want to take it further till here. I just want to end here so that it gives more fuller look, lip shape. Contouring your lips will give you a nice illusion that the lips is much more fuller than it actually is. And then I'm going to fill it with pink shade. Do this one. It's cream shade. But I don't know, the weather over here, it's so cold. So whichever lipstick that I'm using, it feels like matte. And one more. This is the last one. And this one is my favorite. It's called Wild Nectar. It's metallic. So just all over now. Just look at the sheen. I'm going to apply the mascara now and then the false lashes. Okay, so lashes is done. Let me quickly change the outfit and show you the final look. Yeah, I think I like this one better. And this is the final look. If you like this tutorial, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.